Hey there! Welcome back to Educate E-commerce. In this video, we will show you how to build a Shopify store for a t-shirt business using Printful, a powerful print-on-demand dropshipping app. We'll guide you through the process of integrating Printful to effortlessly fulfill your orders. Let's get started. But first, let's talk about Printful and why it's the perfect choice for your t-shirt business. Printful offers a hassle-free print-on-demand fulfillment service, eliminating the need for you to worry about inventory management or upfront costs. This means that you can focus on what truly matters, creating amazing designs and promoting your brand. With Printful, you can simply upload your designs and they'll handle the rest, from printing and packaging to shipping directly to your customers. This not only saves you time and effort, but also allows you to scale your business without the constraints of traditional inventory management. Another standout feature of Printful is its extensive range of customizable products. Whether you're looking to offer t-shirts, hoodies, hats, or even home decor items like pillows and blankets, Printful has you covered. With a diverse selection of high-quality products available, you can easily cater to the preferences of your target audience, offering them a wide variety of options to choose from. This versatility not only enhances the shopping experience for your customers, but also enables you to tap into different niches within the market, expanding your reach and potential for sales. Printful's seamless integration with Shopify is a game changer for e-commerce entrepreneurs. With just a few simple steps, you can connect your Printful account to your Shopify store, enabling effortless product management and order fulfillment. This integration allows for real-time syncing of inventory, ensuring that your customers always have access to the latest products and designs. Plus, with Printful's automatic order processing, you can sit back and relax, knowing that each order placed on your Shopify store will be fulfilled promptly and professionally by Printful, leaving you with more time to focus on marketing and growing your business. Now that you know why Printful is the perfect choice for your t-shirt business, let's dive into the steps of building your new Shopify t-shirt store by integrating Printful. Before we begin, this video is sponsored by AppMaker. With AppMaker, you can seamlessly transform your Shopify store into stunning native iOS and Android apps effortlessly, with no coding required. Elevate your mobile presence with AppMaker today. Now, let's get back into the tutorial. First, head over to apps.shopify.com/Printful. Next, let's install the app into our Shopify store. Review the access permissions and click on Install. This will redirect the page to Printful's website, where you will connect the Shopify store to your Printful account. Let's confirm the connection by clicking on Connect Store. Now we are all set to add our first product. Click on Add Product to begin. In the first page of configuration, we are presented with a collection of products to select and feature in our store. Let's search for a men's t-shirt for our business. Let's go for the men's classic tee. Now we are on the second page of configuration, where we design our t-shirt. Have a look at the navigation bar on the left-hand side of the page. The product panel is where we are right now. Here we can select the technique of printing our design. The first option is direct-to-garment printing, where the design is printed directly onto the t-shirt. The second option is embroidery, where it involves the stitching of the design onto the fabric using threads. Here, we have the option to select the colors and sizes that we would like to offer to our customers. The Layers panel is where your designs are stored as layers. You can perform multiple changes to your design here, such as rearranging, duplicating, resetting adjustments, and deleting any designs. The Uploads panel is where you can easily upload your own designs or add sample designs directly into the editor. The Text panel is where you can create and customize texts as you like, or by using presets. You can also add ready-to-use quotes and varsity team uniforms onto your design. The Clip Art panel is where you'll discover a diverse range of clip art options to choose from. You can use the search bar to quickly find the perfect clip art to complement your design. The Quick Designs panel is where you can access pre-made designs that you can easily incorporate into your own design. The Premium panel is where you can find images and designs that come with additional costs. These premium options include stock images, vector graphics, and patterns, allowing you to enhance your design with professional-grade elements. Let's have a look at the right-hand side of the page. Here you have the ability to add your designs on various areas of your product. In the case of this t-shirt example, you will find 6 areas available for customization: front, back, outside label, inside label, left sleeve, and right sleeve. Let's move on to the next configuration page, Media. This is where you select the mockups of your product, allowing you to select realistic visual representations that showcase your product. You can either choose basic and ready-made mockups or create your own mockups from scratch. Let's go for a basic mockup in this tutorial. Here you can select recommended mockup styles from the main mockup section. And select a few more from the additional section if needed. Once you have selected your mockups, click on Continue. The next configuration page is Details. Here you can set the language of the details, the title, description, size guide, etc. By default, Printful provides the standard title and description of the product. Let's move on to the final configuration page, Pricing. By default, Printful has set a retail price for all product variants, ensuring they cover the costs and generate earnings. However, you have the flexibility to adjust the pricing to align with your business's specific requirements. You can also use these options to adjust and set the pricing of all variants in one go. Finally, you can use the toggle switch to enable or disable free shipping, which also adjusts the retail price accordingly. Once you are all set, click on Submit to Store to publish the product on your store. We have successfully added our first product to our store. Let's have a look at the products page in our Shopify dashboard and the online store to confirm. And there you have it. With the powerful combination of Printful and Shopify, you're well equipped to establish a thriving online store for your business. Start selling your unique designs today and witness your business soar to new heights. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. For future updates and additional content, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.